Hi guys, this is Mitch living life in Dubai. Hi guys, hi everyone. So galing akong grocery namili. So mamadali ako. Alright, so today guys, maaga kong nakuha yung order ko sa noon. Nag-shopping ako online. Hindi naman ganun kadami, pero mga kailangan ko lang dito sa bedroom ko. Umorder ako sa online shopping nila dito sa Dubai. Pangalan is Noon, N-O-O-N. So nag-online shopping ako. Bumili ako ng mga 5-6 items, hindi ko na maalala. Ayan, dumating siya today. Supposedly December 15 pa siya darating. Pero ang nangyari is, maaga siyang na-deliver. So, which is good. And sabay, may option kasi doon na kung gusto ko ipa-deliver lahat ng items ko in one go. Kahit sa magkakaibang store siya. So, maganda. At saka, hindi separate yung shipping fee. Kung ano yung total ng items mo, is yun na talaga yung shipping fee. Hindi tulad sa atin sa Pilipinas pag umu-order ako, bawat item may separate. Bawat item sa different store may shipping fee kang babayaran. Dito, wala. May option ka rin na ipa-deliver lahat ng items na binili mo or pinili mo. I-deliver in one go. Okay, so let's start with the items. Magsimula muna tayo sa dito. Ano kaya ito? Oh, space arrangement. May tumutunog sa loob. So, let's see what is this. So, this is what I got, guys. Ito, organizer. So, space arrangement frame. Ganito yung tsura niya. And, meron siyang installation instructions dito. So, next item would be this. Ganito siya, noon. Ito. My God, now I did. Basurahan, guys. Ang cute niya, white. Akala kong liit lang niya. Pero pwede na. Ang ganda ng ano niya, plastic. It's a plastic. And look, talagang na-stretch lang siya. And next item. Hindi ko alam. Organizer siguro. Ay, feeling ko ito yung vacuum. Vacuum. Wireless vehicle vacuum cleaner. So, it's really for vehicle. Like sa loob ng sasakyan, carpet ng car. Mahulog. Ay, mamaya na lang pag naano ko na ito. Isa-set up ko pa. Papakita ko sa inyo later. Pag naka-set up na. Ang liit lang, no? Ay! Adhesive. Yung parang ball. I ordered like, I think this is 20 pieces each. Hindi na siya kalat ito. This is the shoe rack. So, ganito siya. Kulay green. Green pala to. Kala ko black or white. And then, what else? Multi-basket. Organizer. It's gonna be like this. So, it's multi-purpose. Pero, hindi ko na kailangan to. Tanggalin ko na itong sticker. I also got this. I got the super collagen easy blender. Buksan natin. Wireless design. Sabi ito, it's wireless easy blender. Ang cute. See, oh, okay, it's rechargeable. But I think it comes with a battery. And then, how am I supposed to open this? Oh, okay. So this is gonna be the cup. This is the blade. Diba ang cute? Toshionics. It says it's a portable juicer. After connecting the adapter, the LED light is red. When fully charged, the LED light is blue. So this is wireless because it's rechargeable. So kailangan ko lang gawin is basically use this cord to charge, but it doesn't come with a plug. So kailangan ko siyang saksak ng ganito, and then I just need to look for an adapter for this or charger because this is only a USB cord what they gave me. So yeah guys, that's basically it. Lahat ng na-order ko sa noon so far. So I'm really excited to assemble them. I will definitely show you as well pag na-assemble na siya and na-organize na siya dito sa bedroom ko. Okay, so guys, I have a really small space in this partition bedroom. So I will just be here, try to assemble everything so I could use them. I will start from this. Natatawa talaga ako dito sa pusa na to. Sensitive talaga siya. So I already opened my wireless vehicle vacuum cleaner. This is how it looks like. So it has like matte black on this part. I don't know if you can see this, matte black. And it seemed to be really easy to use. So I already tried it earlier and look all the dirt I got. TMI, excuse me everyone, I know it's not that really nice to see. And look at my carpet. It's not just that it's not really visible on the camera, but it's really dirty. So all I did was just push this button to turn it on. Nalobat na siya guys. So I need to charge it. Same goes for this one. They just gave me a USB cord. So I don't have the plug-ins just for USB. I need an adapter. So is there adapters like this? But in the meantime, I will assemble this one. I think I will just be using this for the kitchen because I also need to put my things in place and organize. Look guys, this is what I got from Noon online shopping. The organizer. This one, this can be extended. Was able to use it so I could store something, or 2-level storage. And then this storage basket as well, got from Noon. So it's really useful. It's not that organized yet because I just throw everything there and just try it out. If I have time, I will definitely make sure it's looking like a Pinterest so it would look so organized. But I'm just showing you right now their purposes, why I ordered them or why I purchased them. This is the blender, the wireless blender. I haven't charged it yet. Yeah, I'm gonna use it when I have the when I already got some fruits to blend because I'll be using my collagen powder for this. Yeah, the bin. So that's the white bin that I got as well. So I'm using it now to store. I'm already using it to throw away my garbage, my trash. So it's there. So this is the shoe rack that I assembled earlier. I know I only have a sandal, a sneaker, and a doll shoes. Whenever I travel international or wherever I go, I don't normally bring a lot of shoes with me. And I also have a pair of slippers, which I use here in the flat or when I go outside. This is my shoe rack. I got the hand vacuum cleaner. I charge it and I was able to use it, so it's really working fine. It's really good and convenient with my small space. Don't mind that water bottles, guys. I'm collecting them. I don't need a lot, but I will be needing them for fermented rice water for my hair. I'll be trying that soon. I will tell you how it's gonna be. Okay, I know you might be wondering why I just have 3 pairs of footwears with me, because when I have some pairs, not a lot, but I have enough footwears in the Philippines. But whenever I travel international, I don't bring a lot with me, so I need to think practical. Actually, I just brought 2 pairs of sneakers with me. One I left in Romania, then the pair of sandal I got that in Romania. I bought that in Romania. Then a pair of doll shoes, I got it here in Dubai because I need some formal footwear with me. And a pair of slippers that I used in the flat. That's it. I know along the way I might be buying other footwears with me or clothes, but again, I need to be practical because I don't have enough space to store everything with me. So I'm good with what I have for now. If in case I will have later on, I make sure that I will really be wearing them. And I also got the adhesive hooks, so it's definitely renter friendly. So I was able to use it there to hang my bags. I tried to maximize the space. And this one, so I basically just have 4 bags with me. This Coach bag, which I basically use almost every day, and then my Timberland big bag whenever I go to the gym, or whenever I need big shoulder bag with me. That's what I'm bringing. And then my backpack or laptop bag. I know I already showed you the bags that I brought with me whenever I travel, or what are the things I bring with me whenever I travel international. So if you want to watch that video, just click the link above and please watch that. So I also use this adhesive here to hang my towel and my jacket. I hope they're gonna stay long and they're not gonna fall. I'm not really sure, but I think this one will fall. It's not gonna. I think she's going to fall soon. Yeah, I think she's going to fall soon. I hope not though. But if in case, I still have a lot of adhesive hooks with me. And basically I bought 2 of the dividers. The other one I use on this part of my closet to basically, so I have 2 level of store. I can maximize the space. The upper level, just the boxes I got. This is the box for the vacuum, box for the iron, my electronics, plastics, and the other stuff for the dividers. And here I still have a lot of this. I still have 1 pack there, so I could use them. I also hang some here, so I could use for my jewelries in the future. I just have 1 bangle with me, but earrings, I have a lot of that in the Philippines. I forgot my jewelry bag. I was supposedly to bring it with me, but I left it in the Philippines. Then hair tie, so just to basically hang them. Later on, if I still have a lot of stuff, I'll definitely make sure to maximize the door of this closet, so it serves the purpose. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one. Please don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye!